Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing Linux on my computer because Windows is getting pretty stupid and I want to switch to Linux. So here's my experience. This is the second time I'm going to switch to Linux. Last time was an absolute failure, but hopefully it goes well this time, you know? Please let it go well this time. Please. Just please. Alright, let me log in real quick. Alright, I'm connected to the internet, and now what we want to do is we want to go open up everyone's favorite tool, Rufus, and then what we want to do is we want to grab a USB flash drive. Where's my USB flash drives? Clearly not here. I'll be right back. Alright, so we have it, and now what we have to do is we have to plug it in to the computer. So we're just gonna use the left USB port. Left USB port is our best friend today, hopefully. Oh my, what is going on? Stop closing yourself. I want you to plug into a USB port. That's the HDMI port, so clearly that's not what we're supposed to plug it into. There we go, it's plugged in. And now what we can do, because it shows up here, is we can go into select. We can go into, oh my god, not now. We can scroll down. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be grabbing Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, because I've heard people say that that's a good option. Ubuntu 24.04. Yeah, I think it's this one. I think it is that one, actually. It could. Yeah, it's that, because the other one was 25.04. Okay, so now it's scanning the image. And I don't want to get to 25, but what? I don't know how to speak today. I don't want to get 25.04 because, I'm kind of worried about 25.04. So we're going to go with 24.04 LTS. Hopefully it is LTS. Please. So now, I wait for it to finish scanning the image. So I'll be back. And well, after hours of waiting, we have the ISO. So now what we have to do is we have to shut down the computer. No, I don't want to do Windows updates. Okay, it's shutting down now. There we go. So now what we want to do is we want to get into the boot menu, which is accessed by pressing F12. So we're going to spam F12 here. Oh, it's not off yet. Okay, spam F12. Okay, now it's going into the F12 boot menu. So now what we want to do is we want to USB 1. Yes. And we want to try or install Ubuntu. Okay, so now... Oh, okay, so it has the Dell logo and it has the Ubuntu logo. This is a good sign. That it's actually booting off of the USB, because now it shows the Ubuntu logo. So, yeah. And, well, okay, so we're stuck here, apparently. What is going on? It's stuck on this now. Oh, okay. Okay, it's going now, okay. So I'll be back once, something else. Oh, it disappeared. Oh. I don't know if that's supposed to be good, but I'm gonna hope it's good, because yeah. Anyways, here's the steps I'm gonna be doing. First step is to install Ubuntu. The second step is to get KDE, and then the third step is to get programs. And how I'm gonna be doing this is, obviously I'm not going to be completely deleting my Windows partition, because last time I did that, well, I didn't do that last time, but last time, well, I don't want to quit Windows like completely, because I don't really know how good Ubuntu is. I'm gonna try using Ubuntu for like a bit, you know, like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, who knows. I'm gonna be using Ubuntu for a while, and then I'm gonna make a follow-up video to this, talking about my experience with Ubuntu. And so as you can see, it's preparing Ubuntu. So this is Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. I've said that like 50 times in this video. Ooh, we got the startup sound. Okay, so what I was saying is how we're gonna do this is we're going to multi-boot Windows 11 and Ubuntu 24.04. And first thing, where's the mouse cursor? Also, does it recognize the touchscreen? Yeah, it does. Okay, we can go back. Where's the mouse cursor? Oh, here it is. So, yeah, we should be fine. Seeing, is there anything we can change? Can we like make it a bit bigger? Actually, no, let's not do that. Alright, yeah, English US. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi network. I'll be right back after connecting to the internet. An update is available for the installer. Yeah, let's not update. I don't really want to wait. We're going to install Ubuntu, yes, next. Interactive, because interactive is cool. So we want the, we should probably grab these. This computer is not plugged into a power source. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's a good realization. Okay, let me go grab the charger, because it's over there, plugged into my main setup. Let me go grab the charger real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a charger. Let's plug it in. So first we're going to unplug the Lenovo charger, get that out of here, and plug in this nice Dell charger. You know, because that seems like a completely... I could plug it into the power strip, but the power strip is on like the fritz. It's going insane. Anyways, here's the charger. You guys saw this in the unboxing video, which I've plugged 50 million times since it was released. But if you haven't watched the unboxing video, go watch the unboxing video because it's really good. Anyways, let's plug this in. There we go, it's plugged in. And now we're going to do... Oh, okay, I thought the mouse cursor disappeared. Okay. What do you mean it's not plugged into a power source? Alright, you know what? We're going to go back. And then we're going to go next. There we go. Now we don't get that. Okay. Yeah, we want to grab this. And then we want to grab this. Oh, we don't want to erase. Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. Yes. Turn off BitLocker. Your computer uses BitLocker encryption. You need to use Windows to create free space or... Okay, I'll be right back. I guess. Restart. I'll be right back. We're stuck in Ubuntu. Please remove the installation media. Yoink. Then press enter. We're not done yet, obviously. We just need to restart into Windows. And, yeah, this seems like a good way to do it. Okay, so we have to turn off BitLocker. Hopefully we don't need BitLocker for Windows 11. I hope. I'll be right back after we are in disk management. Why does it say it's 11:36? It's like 6:36 right now. What is going on? Oh god, numlock. Screw numlock. Alright, let's go to disk management. Create and format hard disk partitions. Yeah, we're back in Windows, I guess. This is not good. No, don't open Discord, please. I guess this is where I remind you to go join my Discord server if you haven't. Link in the description. We'll just close out of Discord. Yeah. Anyways, here's the thing. So what we gotta do is there's a random 119 gigabyte partition. Oh, there's a random 19 gigabyte partition. Well, that's strange, isn't it? Okay. we have to go into properties. How do we turn off BitLocker? Is it in security? Okay, we really have to. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, it's been a week. And now we look for the flash drive. Oh, wait, it's up there. I'll be right back. I accidentally ended the recording. Anyways, here's the flash drive. Okay, so last time we were trying to decrypt the SSD, and it finally finished decrypting at like 9 p.m. And I obviously couldn't make the video at 9 p.m. So here we are, booting back into the F12 boot menu. Oh, and I don't have a capture card, which is obviously why we're going with this. USB 1, try or install Ubuntu. Go do everything you gotta do. Show us that nice boot screen with the Dell logo, you know, very, very nice. And since this is 24.04, we had to have BitLocker enabled. I mean, disabled. We had to have BitLocker disabled. So yeah, I did that last week. I got everything ready. And today's May 22nd, actually, the start of the summer upload boom. So that's really nice, isn't it? Yeah. I also was trying to get Windows 10 build, not Windows 10, Windows 10 1809 to work on this. Oh, here we go, Ubuntu loaded. Let's see if the mouse works. Well, it worked last time, so I don't know why it would work. There you go, it works. Where's the installer? Install. Okay. And this is obviously not running the correct desktop environment either. So, but first, I want to get it installed because I want to do this the hard way. Because I barely know anything about Linux, but now I know the command to install KDE. So yeah, that's the desktop environment I'm going with. I'm going with KDE. Preparing Ubuntu. Alright, I'm gonna be back once we're on the drive screen. So yeah. And as you can see, this is completely normal. To send an automated bug report, please run the command. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. And now we can select how do we want to install Ubuntu. And we're going to install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. And so we're going to dual boot it with Windows 11. So I want to give Ubuntu oh, we can give it more space if we want it to. That's nice. So 2.2 gig. We don't want to give it 2.2 gigs. Obviously. Wait, is that seriously all we have left for Ubuntu? I'd say 20 gig partition. It's a 20 gig partition? Hold up, what? Okay, we're gonna give it the max we can give it. We're gonna give it 18 gigs space. And anyways, we're going to now create a user account. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so now we select our time zone, which is the Central Time Zone. Next. Okay, so let's click on install. And it's installing, so I'll be back once this is done. Yeah. Wait, I'm pretty sure we can go into dark mode from here. Yeah, we can. Dark side. There we go. Much better. Okay, so I'll be back once this is done. And as you can see, Ubuntu is ready to install. Let's restart it. Hello? Also, I want to test if the touchscreen works. It does. That's nice. You know what? Let's reboot from here. Restart. I'm pretty sure we unplug it now. So we've unplugged the flash drive. Please remove the installation media, then press enter. There we go. Now we can press enter, and now it's running Ubuntu. Yeah. So it goes into this nice thing, and then it asks us what we want to do. We want to go into Ubuntu. There's the boot manager. We can go into Windows boot manager, or we can go into Ubuntu, which is what we will do. We will boot into Ubuntu. As you can see, Dell, it's the Ubuntu thing. And now we're gonna have to get KDE, because that's the first thing I want to do. But I'm pretty sure we have to go online first. So I'm gonna connect it to the internet and hope that all the drivers are installed. But I mean, it did detect what computer we were on, so yeah. Let me log in real quick. Yeah, okay, we are in. So now we gotta click on next here. Skip. We don't want it. No, don't share system data. I'll click next again. Get started with more applications. We'll do that later. First, I want to connect to the internet, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the first experience of the terminal. So to run a command as administrator, use sudo command man. What? Did that say man? I think so. Man sudo root for detail. Okay, let's figure that out real quick. Alright, you know what? We're just going to install KDE real quick. So the command is sudo apt. Let me just type it in. Sudo apt desktop plasma. Yeah. I think this is the command. Oh, okay. We gotta type in the password. Unable to locate. Cool. Let's try without sudo. Okay. After this operation, yeah, let's continue. It's downloading. It's doing some stuff. Hopefully this is good. Hopefully I'm not completely destroying Ubuntu. I'm making it not have a GUI. I just want to get KDE installed. So, yeah, I'll be back when something interesting happens. And it failed. Okay, that was a fail. Let's try to get VMware at least, and if that doesn't work, I'm definitely gonna quit. Okay, so let's hope that everything goes well. And you know, to make everything much more fun, I'm gonna record this using OBS Studio. But, yeah, okay. Alright, well, we can't get KDE installed, so I got a very nice wallpaper, and what I want to try to do is see if this will detect my actual monitor. So, let's go test that, I guess. Nope, doesn't work. Let's get VMware. I'm gonna screen record it. And, well, that's the end of the video. I'm never using Ubuntu ever again. That was absolutely terrible. Maybe I was wrong about this, and maybe I should use Kubuntu. Yeah, maybe that's better, but not right now. Definitely not right now. Because I have to give this laptop to my cousin anyway, in all seriousness. This was just a cool test to see if I don't mess anything up. Now I'm going to boot into Windows and delete the partitions, and I'm going to show you because there isn't that much help available on how to delete Ubuntu. So, we're going to restart into Windows. So, let's just do that real quick. Restart. So, yeah, we're going to reboot into Windows. So, we have to boot into the Windows Boot Manager and obviously run Windows from there. So, we're going to go into the Windows Boot Manager. As you can see, now it should be loading Windows. Hopefully. Windows. I don't think it's loading, guys. Oh, there we go. So now we wait for Windows to boot up, and yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, don't disk checking, please don't. Oh, come on. I think Linux did this to me on purpose. I just have a feeling. I have a feeling Linux did this to me on purpose, because I said I want to uninstall Linux, so Windows throws a Windows update at me, huh? Huh. That's strange. Alright, so we're in this. So now what we gotta do is we gotta delete this random 17 gig partition we have here. Oh come, shut up Discord. So what was I gonna, oh yeah, delete the volume. Come on, it can delete, I know it can. There. Okay, so can we extend this now or no? Oh, but we gotta make... No, we can't. We gotta make a new simple volume, I think. Who cares? Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so in order to do this, we have to delete the 990 megabyte recovery partition that we can't delete. We can delete this though, right? And that too. We'll delete both of these, combine them, and yeah. Delete volume, yes. Hopefully I didn't completely destroy the bootloader. Because that would be such a shame, wouldn't it? So I'm pretty sure this is the EFI partition. I don't know which EFI partition this is. But yeah, this is the recovery partition. We can't expand this. Okay, so we got C. This is the C drive. And I want to expand the C drive. So, wait, there's only 20... Wait, what? How much space am I actually using up? Oh. Well, okay. 130 gigs left. Not that good, but okay, we can work with that. What am I gonna do with 19 gigs of space? I'm gonna leave it unallocated, you know? And then, yeah, I'm gonna leave it unallocated for now. Oh, now that I can, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, where's the flash drive? Here it is. I'm going to plug in the flash drive, which now has our beautiful screen recordings. And a new wallpaper for me to try out. So, yeah, we're gonna plug it in. Okay, it detected the USB. Let's open up File Explorer. Go into the thing. And as you can see, it's here. So we can open up the wallpaper. Oh, that's the Moscow wall? That's strange, actually. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna move this to the downloads folder, actually. And, you know, this wallpaper looks really nice. I'm gonna keep it, honestly. And what else I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these two video files over to my videos folder. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go back to the monitor, and yeah, this is an absolute failure, but I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye.